The KnitPatch kit is promoted as a convenient, all-in-one solution for repairing holes, worn spots, and other imperfections in knitwear, denim, and various other fabrics, with the promise of helping users save cherished clothing items rather than discarding them. The underlying concept is not inherently flawed. Handheld patch kits and darning tools have been successfully used by crafters, DIY enthusiasts, and the visible mending community for decades to extend the life of garments in a sustainable and creative way. Many people who enjoy knitting or sewing see such kits as an opportunity to practice decorative mending, while also repairing clothing in a way that can be functional and visually interesting. In theory, the KnitPatch kit could allow someone to create small patches for sweaters, socks, jeans, or even upholstery, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to buying new items. However, real-world reviews and user experiences suggest that the quality and usability of this particular kit are inconsistent at best. Numerous users report that the materials included in the kit feel flimsy or cheap, and that the instructions are often vague, unclear, or difficult to follow. As a result, completing even a simple patch can be a frustrating process, especially for beginners or those unfamiliar with knitting and darning techniques. Many reviewers also note that the finished patches can appear bulky, uneven, or distorted, particularly on stretchy fabrics or garments with intricate patterns, making the end result look far from the neat, professional finish advertised. Additional complaints include poorly packaged kits, missing components, or difficulties when attempting to utilize any advertised guarantees or return policies, further raising concerns about the reliability and trustworthiness of the product. Despite these issues, some users who are patient, moderately skilled with yarn, and willing to accept imperfect results do report satisfactory outcomes, noting that the kit can be a fun, creative, and eco-conscious way to give new life to old clothing. For those interested in visible mending as an art form or hobby, the KnitPatch kit may provide a starting point to experiment with knitting techniques on small repairs. Nevertheless, for anyone seeking a consistently high-quality solution that produces professional-looking, durable patches, the kit carries significant risks of disappointment and frustration. Overall, while the concept behind the KnitPatch kit is valid and potentially useful, the execution appears highly variable, and prospective buyers should temper expectations and be prepared for trial and error before achieving acceptable results.